On July 19, 2016, Adama Traoré turned 24. He was out with his older brother, Bagui Traoré, in Beaumont-sur-Oise, a Paris suburb. Police approached them, intending to arrest Bagui for extortion. When asked for identification, Adama had none and fled. He was caught, then escaped twice. An unidentified third party briefly intervening helped him flee the second time. Eventually, officers found him hiding under a sheet, handcuffing him as he appeared to be in distress. At the police station, officers noticed Adama had urinated on himself and was unconscious, but claimed he was still breathing. Paramedics arrived and attempted resuscitation with a SAMU emergency team. But after an hour, Adama was pronounced dead at the scene. He was found in possession of 1,330 euros in cash and a bag of cannabis. Adama had a history of convictions for rebellion, violence against police, extortion, drugs offenses, and theft, and had been released from prison just 2 months prior. Allegations of prison sexual assault against a cellmate also surrounded him, with compensation later awarded to the victim. 4 autopsy reports were issued by the Paris IML. The initial autopsy concluded cardiac arrest linked to underlying health conditions, not police violence. Traoré family commissioned independent autopsy, leading to conflicting conclusions. Asphyxiation from restraint versus underlying medical conditions, including sickle cell disease and hypothermia from the chase. Toxicology reports were also mixed. Initial tests found no marijuana or alcohol in his system, while later tests showed THC in his system, likely consumed within hours before his death. His body temperature 2 hours after death was 39.2 degrees Celsius, which is 102.6 Fahrenheit, cited by defense attorneys as evidence of hypothermia. A French legal report in 2020 maintained THC, and in July 2020, Belgian doctors were ordered to perform another review. The official medical report eventually listed heart failure as a cause of death, while the family's second autopsy cited asphyxiation from sustained pressure. Internal police investigations cleared the officers involved. Adama's sister, Assa Traoré, became a prominent anti-racism activist advocating for justice for her brother. Protests under the slogan Justice pour Adama erupted in Paris, Lyon, and Toulouse, inspired by the U.S. Black Lives Matter movement. On May 29, 2020, French authorities released a report clearing the free gendarmes, sparking renewed protests in France. Civil suits were filed against the state, alleging police negligence and dangerous restraint methods. In 2023, Cour de Cassation rejected the family's final appeal, ending the criminal case. On August 30th, 2023, an investigation court in Pontoise cleared the officers of wrongdoing. The sister, Assa Traoré, was later sued by officers for defamation, fined 4,000 euros plus a daily penalty, required to delete, post, and publish the court's decision. Bagui Traoré, the brother who was arrested with him, and who told officers to be careful with him because his brother had a heart condition, was convicted in 2018 for extortion against a disabled woman, sentenced to 3 years in prison with a 5-year ban from Val d'Oise. His appeal was denied. After the autopsy process concluded, a private funeral was held on September 3rd, 2023, at PFG, in Valviois. Adama was buried at the cemetery of Beaumont-sur-Oise, maintaining family privacy. Adama remains a symbol against police brutality and systemic injustice in France. His death continues to inspire protests, advocacy, and dialogue about racial inequities, police accountability, and as well the treatment of Black and Arab communities. Thank you for listening to Strawberry Inc. Please follow the show. Please help me promote and help me expand this show. Have a good rest of your day.